Dear students, this is the second video for understanding the requirements and tips and tricks for Math 13-14 College Algebra class for mini 3 weeks semester. This is our D2L website that you have access. So if you go to the content on D2L, you are going to see some modules created for you. And then the very first module is syllabus. If you click on the syllabus modules, you can download the syllabus that I went over on my previous video. So you can download the syllabus and then you can access all the rules. And then, or instead of downloading it, if you want to just read it, you can just open the syllabus from here, and then you can read all the rules again whenever you forget. So this is the first module, the syllabus module on D2L. And then the second module is called Pearson My Lab. And this will be the link that you are going to go. This is the third-party integration link. And then everybody has to sign into my MATLAB course using this link. And then you are going to open My Lab and Mastering. If you have never used this website before, you're going to start an account. You will create an account. There's a temporary free code for 10 days, I believe. But in order to continue doing the homework for all 3 weeks, you will have to purchase a code. And then when you open the code through this link, you can go to the assignments, and then you can see our homework assignments. You can open each homework, and then each homework is unlimited per question. And then only the first and then second homework is due within the first and second day of the semester, but everything else is not due. For the questions, when you want to do a question, the question pops up here. Please be aware that there are some help tools here that you can use. This is how you're gonna do the MyLab assignments. But before you jump to each homework, I highly recommend that you go to Video and Resources Library. And then let's say I want to just give an example for chapter 6, which is our last chapter. And then let's say you want to learn the composite functions. And then if you click on Select All Tool and Find Now, these are the resources available through my MATLAB. There's a lot of test prep videos. I wouldn't start with them, but what I would start with them is these are the videos that they are teaching each objective for this course. I will first watch these videos, then I will go over the PowerPoint for the lesson, and then before I do the assignment, I did create a YouTube playlist for this class. I don't think that it's going to open up here, but I did put the link for each video on each chapter I'm going to show you. I will watch the videos and then I will start doing the assignments. So when you go to the assignments, all assignments are in order that you need to do. So you will do factoring practice, and then due dates are on the left, and you will do O3-14 practice, then chapter 2 starts. Whenever chapter 3 finishes, this will be the first time you're taking a test. So test 1 will be related all the lessons you learned before exam 1. And then chapter 4 starts, and then you're going to do the assignments related to chapter 4 and chapter 5. Then you're going to take your exam 2. The last chapter is chapter 6. Once you finish chapter 6, you will take your exam 3, and then you have the final exam review and final exam. Final exam review is not for a grade, so this will not be moved to the D2L, but final exam grade will be moving to the D2L. So that's one thing. Everybody, again, this is very important. You need to access to your MyMATLAB course through this link so your grades can come to the D2L. So chapter 0 is the first, these are the 2 assignments, factoring practice and O3-14 practice. These are the YouTube videos that I created for you to successfully finish these 2 assignments. Only the first assignment, I had to create 2 parts of the video. If you click on the part 1, it is going to open the first maybe it's a video maybe for 7 questions. And then if you go back here and then open the part 2, you can access to the part 2 of the video. And then once you watch those videos, then you can go to your Pearson and then do the factoring practice and O314 practice questions. Similarly, when you're done with this, you can go to the chapter 2, and then these are the YouTube videos that I created for these assignments. You can just click on them and access to YouTube videos. Each chapter, they have their own YouTube videos that you can watch and do these assignments. And then that's all we have for the content section of D2L. The other thing I want to tell you is your grades. So if you do sign into my math lab using the third-party integration, here at the beginning of the semester, everybody's grade is just set up to a 0% for any assignments, including the tests and the final exam. So everybody's grade is default set up to 0%. Whenever you start doing your MyMathLab assignments, these 0% will change for your actual grade on MyMathLab, and then you will have a calculated grade here as your final grade. So we have 3 categories on our grade book. So the first category is, so this is the final grades, and this is not accurate until you submit all your assignments to MyMathLab. So don't pay attention to this column until you have completed everything. But starting from factoring practice and O314 practice 1 and all these section homework, these are going to be the homework category. All of these are under the homework category, and they will affect your grade by 35%. And then you will see your average for your homework category here. And then you have the exam category. Exam category is going to affect your grade by 45%. So you have exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. So exam 1 is total 50 points, and whatever the points you earn it here, it will show up here. Let's say you got 40 points out of 50, and then it's going to convert your grade to a percent here by 80%. That's what you're going to see. And then this subtotal is the average for your exams. And then the last column is the final exam grade, and it's just 1 grade for this category. And then that will be the subtotal for this category. So this number and this number will be the same since we have only 1 item under this category. And once you finish everything related to this course, your calculated grade will show up here. And then this column and this column will be the same. This is how we're going to see the grades here. Again, there is an option to send me a message here by using the instant messaging system. I do not recommend this. As my syllabus said, please use the proper email if you have any questions. And then don't forget to take the advantage of these YouTube videos that I created for you. It's under this YouTube account, and each one I labeled them as the same name as your assignment. This is all from me now, and I hope this will be a very smooth and easygoing semester for everybody. And be sure to complete all of your assignments on time. Since this is a very small semester, there is no time to extend any assignments due date. Have a great semester, and I wish you great success. Bye.